The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2018 through 2024 Honda Odyssey with the Yakima JetStream base rack and the Yakima SkyBox NX18. So it's an 18 cubic foot box. If you want to see the van with just the rack, we'll link to that in the description below. We have a video of that before the box was put on. But this is the Yakima SkyBox NX18 as mentioned. This is actually a great fit for this vehicle, a good size proportion. Here you can see max ski length 195 centimeters, again 18 cubic foot capacity. Locks are included for the cargo box. If you want to get a matching set for your base rack, you need to get a 6-pack of locks to get everything matched up. So dual-sided opening, the same latch that you see here on this side is available on the other side. Really nice feature about the NX models is the mounting hardware is pretty flat on the inside, whereas some other boxes, the knobs to secure it to the crossbars live inside and occupy a little bit of that space. Not the end of the world, but this is flatter to maximize your carrying capacity. So that's just been a quick walk around so you can see what this looks like on this vehicle. For more details or pictures or information, which is also details, visit the link in the description below and that'll take you back to our website. So that's it for this one, but like always, thanks for watching.